Gym build update. It has arrived. The first order of timber has arrived. It's going to be really interesting because I've got to deliver it, handball it all on my own. And here is the amount of timber that we've ordered. So, time to get to work. So we're about halfway through the panels, and then we've got all of these left to do, and as you can see, it is grim. It is really grim. So check out the route I've got to carry. So that's the route we've got to carry. It's very wet. It's very, very wet. There we have the beast, where it's going to go. Lots to do. I'm going to do a whole video on the plan coming up, but this is the good shit right here, the good shit. So morning after that horrible experience of bringing everything in, feels fresh today. I feel a bit tired, but it's all good. There's a couple of things that reminded me, like if you didn't know, I renovated my own houseboat and stuff like that, and it's something that I do really enjoy. It's a bit of a passion of mine and a bit of a hobby. Building things and making things, and when I was moving those panels in and all the other timber last night, I got a real reminder of, you know, took me right back to, I landscape garden for 2.5 years, and it took me right back to then, when you're just in it and you're doing the work and getting things done. And unfortunately right now at the front end of the project, you're not doing a lot of the work that I really want to be doing. I really love the carpentry side of things. So today is a bit of a clear up day. Hopefully I might be able to get the frame set, but we'll see. So I've got a few things to focus on, and a little surprise already today to wake up to. So as you can see, waking up this morning and my fence has been blown over and fallen down. So great start to the day, but the plan is, as I am building the gym space coming through and around here, is that what I'm actually going to do is pull it all out to start off with, and prop it all up, because I will put it in back afterwards, because it's just going to be a lot easier then once I've set the frame and know the boundaries, and part of it I probably won't even need to put back up because it will be covering the fence line anyway, so it's good. But I want to show you one of the main reasons why I bought this house is this view out the back here. It is wonderful, and once I get the opportunity and it's all cleared, I'm going to be making special place for that view in the gym. So, but for now, it is time to get busy. So here we go. Nice, clear, raked garden. Here's the pond. I've just sort of backfilled it a little bit with a lot of the crap, just to make the most of it. And so the plan now is to get a rough idea of framing it out with all the timber, just to see where we are. Then I can spot my angles, spot my measurements, and then be in a position to start thinking about putting the footings down, the posts in to mount the frame to, and then from there the only way is up, literally. So if you want to follow me on this journey, then make sure you please like, comment, subscribe, send this to a friend. Crazy S&C coach building his own gym. Let's do it, absolutely love it. So thank you very much, and have a good day.